Next, let's talk about social wellness. Social wellness consists of your supportive relationships with your loved ones and your community. And the Kwanzaa principle for today is Ujima, which means unity. We're striving to increase unity in our families, in our community, our nation, most particularly, and our race. Ujima is us taking the initiative, developing, redeveloping, or maintaining relationships. That means you should call, text, email, or mail someone you haven't talked to in a while. We have to let people know that they mean so much to us, because when they're gone, the tears are sometimes tears of guilt. So, reaching out and connecting with someone that you love or someone you haven't seen or talked to in a while. Also, join an organization as a member or a volunteer. We offer note cards and notepads that you can write that letter or write that note, leave it on a coworker's desk, send it in a snail mail, or just send an email. But social wellness is another important dimension of wellness that we need to nurture in 2026.